Hello guys, I was off video for a very long time because I was how do you know, taking care of stuff, um, soccer, school, work, exams, everything. Plus, my exam is in June the 2nd. My mathematics is tomorrow. It's a pre-up, like before the exam, and it like test you if you like ready or not, and they will like see if you know, the older ones, and I am quite getting the quite older, but uh, but for this video, y'all know the video that I posted about what game should I play next. So y'all gonna choose a game I should play. I know I have a PlayStation 4, but who cares? Console doesn't matter. At least I'm not that spoiled children that dad can buy me that, dad can buy me, mom can buy me. No, I focus on work. I care about my stuff. I don't care. I have a beautiful cat, beautiful dog, and my school is nice. It's just let you know. It's a so I got this controller. I don't know if y'all know it. Called a Dixon, Dixon. It works on PC, PS3, PlayStation 4, and yeah. So also if I don't say I'm not that much of a phone person also. I'm mostly on my work and stuff. That's why I'm not functional. I have a lot of homework, projects, stuff to do. Buying stuff also for myself. I make my own food, buy my own stuff sometimes, But on birthdays, so you know what? My cat, my cats don't want to sleep on the floor. They have a bed, but they don't want to sleep in it. They just want to sleep on my bed. So I'm putting them on one side and I on the other door side.